How's it, guys? Today is beach day with the Proteas. I'm sitting at the back because that's where the cool kids sit. Got my takeaway coffee. My boys are getting ready. Beach day with the Proteas. Let's go!
Oh! Is this live?
This is live and direct.
What live?
Can you get my beach shirts in this thing? Next time you see me, I'll be sunburned. So take it in now. Capture the moment, because next time you see me, I'm going to be looking a little bit like Noodle Studs. I have to go find bright red.
Time to get off the bus. We are now at... What beach is this again, sir? How do you say this beach's name?
Maracas.